How to add friends and play with them in car parking. So this is the latest update. So if this video does ended up helping you, make sure you like and subscribe. So this is super simple and easy. If you need any help, make sure you let me know in the comment section. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go and click on the start option all the way to the left. It should be before garage. So just click on that. And once you click on start, you have two options. One is levels, one is single player. One is online games. So you're gonna have to click on the online games, select game mode. Now from here, you're gonna need your friend's player ID. To find your friend's player ID, it should be right here on top. As you can see, yours and your friend's one should be right here. Then once they send it to you, just put it in right here, blah. Then you could send them an invite, for example, right here, because they're gonna pop up and they're gonna have to accept your friend request. Then once they accept, you just send them an invite, and you're gonna have to pick one. So I'm gonna just go with dessert, for example. I'm gonna just click on start. You could also put only for friends. Make sure you put that right here under. You could also put a password if you want, but I'm gonna just put no password. But if you do want a password, you could put one. It doesn't matter. Then once you do that, just click on the start option. And as you guys can see, now I'm loading into a game and I could play with my friends. So as you guys can see, I did just load into the game. So when your friends join, they could play with you right here. So this video did end up helping you. Make sure you subscribe. If you need any help, make sure you let me know in the comment down below.